Huckleberry, Samoa, Thin Mint, the Saigon Cinnamon Crumble, Basil Eggs Benedict donut. Good morning. So I also got the Sidecar Black Onyx with a pump of vanilla. I'm excited. She told me it's their dark chocolate coffee. There's a whole egg in this. They're crazy. It's like a cave. Wow, I have never tasted anything like this before. It's like sweet and savory because there's like basil. The filling is like pesto. Dude, this is so good. Okay, let me take this basil out. See, this is why I moved to California, to try random crap like this. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm gonna try this Samoa, because I love this Samoa cookie. Interesting, these are cakey donuts.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I left my heart in San Diego, and I'm never gonna get it back. We lit the spark that burned the candle, and I'm never gonna ever find a love like that. I was young, I was dumb, she was beautiful. In the SoCal summer we were drunk on paradise. Something about easy love, it's not unusual. Tried to take things slow, but we just ran out of time. And I wish that I knew then the things that I know now, 'cause time didn't heal me, no nothing.
Been a couple beaches, but I haven't put my foot in the Pacific Ocean yet, so I will do that now. Oh, it's so cold. I rolled up all my pants and I'm ready. It's so cold, it's so cold, it's so cold. Woo. Wow. Oh my god. Alright, I'm done. It's freezing. I just finished journaling on the side of the beach. It's so nice. This is so nice. And the sun is really bright and shining. I put my hair up because it was getting too windy, but it's beautiful. There's a guy paddleboarding now. This is my view. I don't know if you can see him, but he's over there. Wow, just wow.
never gonna get it back. We lit the spark that burned the candle.
Very exciting.
And I'm never gonna, ever find a love like that. I was young, I was dumb, guess I didn't know. 'Cause when I'm looking back now, kinda think maybe you were right. When it's easy done, but it's hard to go. Easy love, God, it takes a hold in you. Break your heart and you lose yourself.
Okay, Mom. There.
And I wish that I knew the things that I know now. This time you